It's every business owner's nightmare. You wake up, check your phone, and see this. Your WhatsApp account is banned. No customer chats, no sales, and no way to reach your leads. If you're seeing this, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happened, how to file a successful appeal, and most importantly, how to make sure it never happens again using the official WhatsApp API. WhatsApp has strict rules. Here are the most common reasons accounts get flagged. Mass messaging. Sending too many messages to people who don't have your number saved. Being reported. If users hit report or block on your messages, WhatsApp's AI takes notice. Unofficial apps. Using modded versions like WhatsApp Plus or GB WhatsApp. Data scraping. Trying to pull phone numbers or profile pictures automatically. Spam content. Sending hard sell ads or suspicious links that violate Meta's commerce policy. If you think the ban was a mistake, you have two options. Option 1, in-app appeal. Tap Request a review inside the app. Explain briefly why you think it's a misunderstanding. Option 2, email support. For business accounts, email smb_web@support.whatsapp.com or go to the WhatsApp official website, whatsapp.com, scroll right down and click on Contact Us under Need Help section, and then hear WhatsApp support. Click on Contact Us and you're going to be directed to a form that you have to fill up and send. Pro tips for your appeal. Use your business domain email. It looks more professional than a Gmail. Be polite. Explain that you are a legitimate business and that losing the account is hurting your customer service. Attach evidence if you have it, like a screenshot of your business registration. Even if you get your account back, you're now on WhatsApp's watch list. To truly protect your business, you need to stop using the standard business app and switch to the official WhatsApp Business API. With a platform like SleekFlow, you're working through an official WhatsApp business solution provider. Multiple team members can use SleekFlow to log in to the same WhatsApp account at the same time to chat with customers. You no longer need to share the same device and you won't be logged off just because another person logs into the same account. 2. Personalized messages. You can make your messages personalized by adding the names of each customer. 3. Sending test messages. Before sending broadcast messages, you can send yourself a test message and make sure that the copy is correct. 4. Broadcasting custom messages. With the official WhatsApp Business API, you can initially send up to thousands of personalized messages without the risk of being banned for spamming, because it's a regulated, official channel. If you send more than 500 messages in the first week, you may qualify to increase your daily limit to 10,000 messages, subject to WhatsApp's approval. 5. Specialized AI agents. Agent Flow functions as an advanced agentic AI layer designed to autonomously qualify leads and drive conversions without human intervention. By deploying specialized AI teams, businesses can ensure 24/7 engagement, preventing lead leakage during off hours. Don't risk your customer database on a free app that can disappear overnight. Back up your data, follow the rules, and consider professional tools to scale safely. If you want a step-by-step guide on everything we discussed, I've linked the full SleekFlow blog post in the description. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business through social commerce. See you in the next one.